Okay, so to chart a furcation, first thing, make sure that you're charting it on the appropriate side of the tooth. In other words, if it's found on the buccal, you're going to chart it here. If it's found on the lingual, here. So we'll say that we have a class 1 furcation on the buccal of tooth number 19. To chart that, we're going to draw right on the root like this. We'll also say that we have a class 3 furcation on the lingual of tooth number 18. Class 3 furcations. Class 1 is just the open V. Class 2, we connect the triangle. Class 3, we would fill it in. If we had a class 4, we'll just say a class 4 on the lingual of 17. We make that into a diamond shape and also color that in. For charting mobility, you're going to go to the tooth number and put in the Roman numeral degree of mobility. So if you had class 1 mobility on tooth number 19, you'd come to 19 and put a 1. Class 2 mobility, tooth number 18. Class 3 mobility, tooth number 17, charted as such. Last thing we'll look at is cal. If you have recession, recession is charted in blue. We'll say you have 2 millimeters of recession on the buccal of tooth number 19. You would also need to have your pocket depth. So we'll say that that was a 2 millimeter pocket on the straight buccal. To calculate your cal, you're just going to add the two numbers and you would put 4 there. Look at a few more teeth for cal. If you have 4 millimeters of recession, you're adding it to the middle number because that's where the recession was present. You would have 5 millimeters of cal there. And here, 3 millimeters recession, 2 millimeter pocket, again, 5 millimeters of cal present there.